Hello, I'm Dr. Mini Nair, founder and chief physician of Ayurhealing Ayurveda and Siddha Hospital, 18th Main, Koramangala, Bangalore. We have always seen obesity as one of the reasons for everybody to be speaking about when it comes to the size of a person. In the similar way, when we need to even be addressing the conditions of loss of weight or being very thin. So the same, both these conditions have the same implications on a body of a person, be it both the body as well as the mind. So when we are talking about weight gain, there are different ways that you can put up weight, but when it comes to the healthy way of maintaining one's body weight, then there are a lot of care to be taken. So first, when somebody comes to us asking for, conditions wherein they want to put on weight, we need to look into different factors. It can be the genetical factor or the kind of nutrition he or she has been taking. So when it comes to genetics, not much can be done about the person's weight, except that you can only try and advise certain things that can actually help them, but maybe it is little difficult. But when it comes to nutritional values, you need to be first looking into why the person is losing weight or he is not able to gain weight. So when we are looking into those factors, first comes the kind of nourishment he or she is taking. So we give a basic advice on the kind of food that the person has to take, because in case of females especially, if you tend to lose weight, there are a lot of implications on the physical point of view. It can be a lot of vitamin losses, like vitamin D deficiency they can land up with, or loss of hair, or in some cases even the basic infertility also can be affected. So when such conditions creep up into their life, then what we advise is, or we need to be looking into other conditions. It can be the medical conditions that they suffer from. It can be their hyperthyroidism or some debilitating conditions which we need to look into. So once all this is cleared, then we start our programs usually with deworming these persons, because you really don't know, in some cases even harboring some kind of worm infestations in the body also can lead to loss of weight in spite of indulging in good nutritional diet practices and all that. So we start with a program of deworming the person and then giving advices on the nutritional value of food. So most of them depend on the 3-course meal. In such cases, people who intend to put on weight, we actually advise them to split the meals into smaller portions and take it. That helps in easy digestion and assimilation of the food. And then followed by what kind of food they need to be taking. So in that case, they are actually blessed enough to be taking all kind of nutritional food which can be rich in carbohydrates, the fats. So milk is one of the important diet. They can take milk and its milk products, be it butter, cheese, paneer, in any form. And then when you're talking about breakfast, the breakfast has to be definitely good, nutritious and also full. So there you can even ask the person to be taking nuts, like it can be the peanuts, the almonds, the pistas. And if you're non-vegetarian, then even egg omelette or boiled egg, or even mutton soup. Mutton soup is found to be very effective in cases wherein people would intend to put on weight, because there it is, soup in any form is easily digestible and the entire protein is absorbed into the system. And then one of the major causes that we come across here for loss of weight is again stress. Stress in any form can also have its implications on the body. So you need to definitely remain stress-free. And for that reason, you can go incorporate yoga, meditations, all kind of modalities can be adopted to remain stress-free. So when it comes to, in spite of all this, there are a lot of conditions wherein still patients do not improve upon their weight, then the medicine plays a very important role. When we are talking about medications, we start, like how I explained before, we start with deworming, and then we will advise certain treatments like Abhyangam with Bala Ashwagandha Lakshadi Thailam, and Rasayana has a very important and a very good result in treating loss of weight. So Rasayanas, when we are talking about, it can be the Chavana Prasham, it can be the Brihat Chagalyadi Ghritam or Amrita Prasha Ghritam, Kushmanda Rasayanam. Then we have even certain rasayanams for the ladies like the Shatavari Gulam. All this plays very important and helps in person to regain the loss.